Hello kids! Welcome back to XoraTale. Today we're going to learn numbers 1 to 5. Are you ready? Let's go! This is number 1. 1 sun. 1 apple. 1 cat. Let's repeat it again. 1 sun. 1 apple. 1 cat. This is number 2. 2 stars. 2 birds. 2 shoes. Let's repeat it again. 2 stars. 2 birds. 2 shoes. This is number 3. 3 flowers. 3 cars. 3 cookies. Let's repeat it again. 3 flowers. 3 cars. 3 cookies. This is number 4. 4 balls. 4 fish. 4 books. Let's repeat it again. 4 balls. 4 fish. 4 books. This is number 5. 5 balloons. 5 ice creams. 5 stars. Let's repeat it again. 5 balloons. 5 ice creams. 5 stars. Ready for a fun test, little learners? What number is this? Yes, it's 3. What number is this? Yes, it's 4. What number is this? Yes, it's 2. What number is this? Great, it's 1. What number is this? Great, it's 5. How many stars are these? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct, 5 stars. How many balloons are these? Let's count with me. 1, 2. Yes, 2 balloons. How many apples are these? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct, 4 apples. How many flowers are these? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 flowers. Great job, kids. You learned numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you did amazing, little learner. See you soon with next fun learning video on XoraTale.